watching my videos. Welcome on board as I welcome you back to the next feature used in HTML language, and it's a feature used in forms section now. So you can use this feature on anywhere you have it or anywhere you want on your website. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can make checkboxes. It like a feature where it gives the user the ability to select items or random items. They're called checkboxes. So I want to be showing you guys some examples and ways you can use checkboxes on your website. So for example, this was where we left off the other time, right here, creating an account. So the user then selects if he or she is a male or female. So right after under this, we are going to have our checkboxes right here. So we would want to include some details about checkboxes. So to include a checkbox, you have to include this code. Input type. Input type is going to be checkbox, because we are dealing with checkbox. Is going to be checkbox. So the name of the checkbox is going to be, let's say, cars, for example, cars, and the value of the checkbox is going to be the name of the car now. So it's the name, let's say Bugatti, for example, Bugatti. So Bugatti is the value of the checkbox, and then you want to include the name that will be displayed right after that. It's going to be Bugatti. Once you included that, don't forget to use your breaker tag for there to be a drop down space in between your text, just like the way it affected the username and password here. We made use of this breaker, so we're going to use it same in these checkboxes. So once you've included one of the features, you can copy this. You can copy this, Ctrl C, and then you can paste it under it. And so you just want to change the value back to another type of car you would like your user to select. It might be car, it can be anything you want your user to select. So the value can be another name of car. So let's say Ferrari, for example. So we're going to change it from Bugatti to Ferrari. To be Ferrari. So the next selection or item we would want them to select is another type of car, which is, for example, let's say Hennessy Venom. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with this car, but I don't know the car. So I would just like to use it as an example. So here you can give it an option provided as Hennessy Venom. If you don't know this car, you can search the web for it, but I'm pretty sure you're going to find results. So this is going to be the examples of how you can use checkboxes in your forms. And also please don't forget to include your p tags, which is a paragraph. So there's going to be a well arranged lines of items on our page. So please follow this process, because it's very important for your page to look so presentable as it can be. So right here you can also use the p tag, and you can provide a section and name it. Please select select which type of cars you like. So you can just include that for them to have an idea that the section is for cars. They can name it any other section depending on what item or value that you'll be dealing with in your website. So this is how you use checkboxes on your forms on HTML using HTML language. And so you can just simply use a breaker tag, or let's be a space in between these. Please select a title and your checkbox values. So don't forget to also close your form, because you are dealing with everything here is going to be under form. So you just close the space and let's save this, and then let's try it on our browser. So you have to refresh the page, and then you have it. Please select which type of cars you like. So the user then goes there and then selects any type of car he or she likes. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you all understand. This is the codes used to make checkboxes, radio boxes, and text. But for the purpose of this video, you are being focused and being taught how to use checkboxes. So this is the code used in making a checkbox on the web page like this. So if you like this video, you can hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure you drop them right below the comment section in this video. And if you would like to continue watching more interesting videos on the coding and web development like this, I suggest you subscribe, and then see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.